Hey guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing for you guys. I should probably close the window. It is so loud outside. Hold on. I mean, it's still gonna be loud, but I'm excited. Yeah, I don't know why I said fucking. I'm so fucking excited. So, non-stop recording. And so this is going to be for the podcast. If you guys don't know, I do record for my fiance's podcast, which reminds me, I'm not wearing my ring. Let's put on my ring. And I might use it for streaming because I heard Sony cameras are amazing for when you're streaming and using it as a webcam. So if we already have it, and I'm going to test it out for obviously videos and some money, and I don't even know if this is still valid or not. Let's see. Valid until March 31st, 2021. So yeah, it is valid. It has the instruction and stuff manual and like the insurance thing that no one ever fucking reads. And tells you all the accessories and stuff you can get. No one reads this. Let's just bypass that. And then we go like that. Ooh. So I assume here's the camera. And let's just go into the cords first because that's the least exciting thing. This is the Sony battery inside of this plastic. There is a camera band. It says Sony on it. I have like some cute ones, so I can probably put it on. I haven't put a camera band on this one, my M50, because it's a bitch to get through the hole, and I don't know if I'm even gonna do it for this one either. But yeah, and this one is, and the output for this is USB, like what is it, micro USB, and this is the plug. So they're battery charger, like direct battery charger. But I did get 2 spare batteries because, as any YouTuber or videographer will tell you, you need more batteries than just 1 battery. I think that you should have minimum 3 batteries and always 2 on you. Just saying. But yeah, just plug in. Let's get to the camera. So excited. And Sony is Japanese and I'm Japanese, and so oh my god, my mom will be so proud. Canon's also Japanese, but you know what I mean. I don't know. If you're Asian, you understand that Asian pride. Like, Koreans talk about Samsung a lot. Okay. Ooh, it's actually hefty. I did not think it was going to be this hefty. So that's the rest of the box, all of it. It's in this little thing. Honestly, my grandma would keep these. And my mom would keep these. Oh. This is definitely more heftier than my M50, which is what I'm recording on right now. This is how it looks. Oh my god, oh my god. It feels like, oh my god, this is crazy. I'm so excited. And this one has 4K video. I'm pretty sure the M50 does too, but I'm not like 110% sure. It has the horseshoe up here. And this is like, it's just heavier. I don't know, it's just heavier. That's how the back sides of it looks. And instead of it being in the middle, the viewfinder thing is in the side. Which, I never really use it, but I think it would make sense to have it, like, here, so, that makes sense. Okay, let's see how the screen flips out. Oh! Let's see. Oh, wait. Okay, that's kind of disappointing. It doesn't flip out, so this is not very good for, like, I feel like that's not very cool for, oh, wait. Does it? Oh, no. I don't know. Oh, my god. So it doesn't flip out. So I don't think it's very good for like self-recording, but obviously this is going to be mainly for the podcast. I'm just dumb and I couldn't figure it out that first day, but it does flip up. And I use that screen all the time. I will probably do a YouTube video on this camera. Again, if it doesn't flip out, it's great for like Twitch, because I think for Twitch you don't really need a flip out screen at all, so I think that's great. Again, this is a lot heavier, so I wouldn't use this for vlogging. Maybe like main channel sit-down videos, which I'm still planning to see if I like it. Also, I love the fact that this, do you see it? Like, the Canon one is, like, stiff, so it's hard to put one in, but this one seems a lot easier to put, like, a strap on. I think I'm going to put a cuter strap, though, than the one that it came with, because I have a few Disney ones, because I am a camera fanatic, and I'm also a Disney fanatic, so. Okay, let's see if it turns on. Like, I pressed on, but it's definitely dead. Definitely not going to turn on. So I'm going to charge this and try to use it. But, so far, kind of disappointed. We will see, though. again, I don't think that it should. Oh, let's see what outputs it has, because maybe that would be a saving grace for it. I don't know. So there's a power in. And mic input, you fucking dumbass. I don't know. I feel like I was on something that day. What the fuck? Which I guess that's great if you're doing Twitch stuff. And then what is it? A multi and a mini HDMI. So we will see. We will see how I like it. I will like that. I do tech videos sometimes. I just like getting tech, and so we're pretty much just talking about things I got, and if I ever come to a... So I'm just gonna finish this video off in a photo booth, because I guess I didn't finish the video, or like it cut off. There was no end to this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, you know, all the YouTube stuff. Also, this is my first time using Final Cut Pro to edit, so it might be a little wonky, and I'm sorry about that. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.